She drinks perfume. Clean a small perfume vial thoroughly and pour clear Fanta in it. Add blue food coloring. Attach a small Fanta logo to the vial. Put it into the holder with a big Fanta logo. I need to save my friend. She can get poisoned. Call an ambulance immediately. But Vicky is perfectly healthy. Not to panic. This perfume is just Fanta-astic with a blue Fanta flavor. Calm down, Vicky, and add some perfume to your cocktail. The blue-eyed girl adores Tetris. Tiles are more important to her than her friend's breathtaking story about her last date. Vicky tells her about a new restaurant, and her friend has only tiles and puzzles on her mind. But something terrible happens. The gadget lets the blue-eyed girl down. The battery dies at the most inopportune moment. Vicky must be happy. Now she will get all of her friend's attention. But Vicky feels sorry for her friend. This is why she gives her a special accessory. Cut out a paper template we've prepared beforehand. Trace it on a foam rubber sheet and cut it out. Attach tile-shaped gummies using edible glue. Make straps from a ribbon. Melt the ends. And sew the ribbon to the foam rubber. A necklace shaped like her favorite Tetris tiles? The blue-eyed girl can wear it close to her heart. And when she gets hungry, she can just take off a tile and eat it. The friends drink tea, eat cookies, and watch a movie about treasures. Unexpectedly, Vicky finds a treasure herself. It's a mysterious macaroon ring. Attach a ring blank to a mini macaroon using condensed milk. Put it into a fridge to make it harden. Vicky is excited. She puts the sweet jewelry on her finger. She wants to take a photo with it right now. Vicky strikes poses, but the blue-eyed girl has a different plan for the delicious accessory. She quickly bites off the ring and the treasure disappears. It tastes like a real macaroon. Vicky is disappointed. It's nice that her friend didn't bite off her finger. On the other hand, she will get all the remaining cakes. The blue-eyed girl wanders around a forest looking for berries. Here it is! I found something! Oh no! This berry might be inedible. I wish I found at least one apple. But you really have to put on a fruit hat if you want to see some fruit. Hot glue fake plastic fruit pieces to a hat. We've got apples and cherries. And we also hot glue real berries with their stems. We've got cherries and grapes. I look like a real garden queen with such a fruitful hat. And what's more, I don't need to look for berries anymore. If I want a berry, I just take it off the brim of my hat. Dolly comes with a new handbag. Coat an empty heart-shaped candy box with acrylic paint. Cover the hole with a piece of clear plastic. Use double-sided tape to attach it. Cut out a bottom out of a sparkly foam rubber sheet. Attach it to the outside of the box. Prick holes using a needle. Attach jump rings. Put candies in the box and attach an old handbag chain to the jump rings. Decorate the candy handbag with sequins. Use multi-purpose glue. This handbag is a sweet tooth's dream. A hot fashion trend is a stylish accessory with a candy stash. Keeping face powder or a phone in your handbag is a thing of the past. Did you like our edible pranks? Then write in your comments how you will prank your friends. Will you make edible accessories, eat a keyboard button, or spread deodorant onto bread? And don't forget to give your thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell so that you don't miss new funny prank ideas on the Troom Troom channel.